Hello students, today I am going to explain Mathematics Form 5 First Term Chapter 22 Quadratic Equations, Curves and Inequalities. Page numbers are 428 to 144. First, objectives. Able to understand how to solve quadratic equations by factorizing, by the general formula, by complete the square. Next one, how to set up and solve problems using quadratics. Last objective, how to solve quadratic inequalities. Our first subtopic is solving quadratic equations by factorizing. Check these examples. X square plus 4x plus 3 equals 0. You have to find factors. Then we know how to find factors for quadratic equations. Then within bracket you can write that two answers. First one x plus 3, other one x plus 1. If you want, by multiplying, you can check whether this answer is correct or not. X times x is x square coming, x times 1x, middle 3 times x 3x, then x plus 3x 4x also okay. Other one 3 times 1 3. It's equal to 0. Then solutions are x plus 3 equals 0, x plus 1 equals 0. It means x equal minus 1, x equal minus 3. That two are the solutions for first example. Now you can check second example also. 2x square minus 9x minus 5 equals 0. Here also by factorizing you can get that two answers. 2x plus 1, x minus 5. How can you factorize this quadratic? 2x square, that's why 2x and x come in. Middle you have to make minus 9x. You can check whether this one correct or not. 2x times minus 5 minus 10x. Middle come in plus 6. Minus 10x plus 6, after simplify minus 9x also correct. Then plus 1 times minus 5 also correct. Then solutions you have to find. 2x plus 1 equals 0, x minus 5 equals 0. Then 2x equal minus 1, x equal 5. Then 2x equal minus 5 minus 1 you can write it again. X equal minus 1 over 2. Other one x equal 5. That two are the solutions for this example. Now check last one. 5x square minus 8 equals 0. Here also by factorizing you can find that you can solve this quadratic equation. How can solve? Here first of all, like previous two examples, you can't do this one. Here you have to find the common factor first. Common factor can take out. Here both numbers can divide by 5. So 5 you can take it as the common factor. 5 bracket x square minus 8 divide 5, 16 coming inside. It's equal to 0. Now here with 5 or without 5 even answer correct because other side 0. X square minus 16 equals 0. Now you can write it again. X square minus 16 can send to other side. It's equal to 16. X equal square root of 16. What are then we know for the square root answers plus minus both answers are coming. So here last solutions are x equal minus 4 or x equal plus 4. Now I think you can complete exercise 22.1. Our next subtopic is completing the square. Here quadratic equations you have to solve by using completing the square method. First you can see quadratic expressions. There are two forms. X square plus 2ax plus a square. You can write it as within bracket x plus a square. Other one x square minus 2ax plus a square. Then x minus a square. Now another equation is there. This equation you can use for completing a square method. X plus a within bracket square plus b. Another one also for the quadratic equation x square plus bx plus c you can use in first bracket x plus b over 2 square minus b over 2 square plus c. Those are the equations you have to use for completing the square method. See these examples. First one, factorize x square plus 12x plus 36. Hence write x square plus 12x plus 40 and x square plus 12x minus 1 in the form within bracket x plus a square plus b. Check first solution. Part A, x square plus 12x plus 36. By factorizing, you can write that solution x plus 6 square. Here answers are x plus 6, again x plus 6. So you can write it as x plus 6 square. Now check part B, first one. X square plus 12x plus 40. You have to write the answer in x plus a square plus b form. So you can write first x square plus 12x, then 40 you can take it as 36 plus 4. Then x square plus 12x plus 36 you can write it as x plus 6 square. That other 4 you can write in the same way. Now I think that form okay, x plus a square plus b. Now check second one also, same method you have to follow for the second one also. X square plus 12x minus 1. Here minus 1 also you have to make by using that 36. X square plus 12x plus 36 minus 37. Now minus 1 okay. Here also x square plus 12x plus 36 you can write it as x plus 6 square minus 37. Here also that form okay, x plus a square plus b. Now check next example. Write in the form x plus a square plus b. Solutions. X square minus 10x plus 16. Here then we know x square minus 10x need to come plus 25 there. According to that equation you can write it x plus b over 2 square minus b over 2 square plus c. You can write it x square minus 10x is there. Here b minus 10. When divided by 2 minus 5, then minus 5 square want to take. Then plus 25 minus 25 both answers come in here. Plus 16 over there. 16 is C. Now when you solve it, x square minus 10x plus 25 you can write it as x minus 5 square. Minus 25 plus 16 minus 9. That is the last solution. Now you can check again previous example. X square minus 10x plus 16. Here equals 0. So you have to find solutions here. Then you can check again that previous example. We found solutions what? By completing a square method. We wrote it as x minus 5 square minus 9. Now here also that same equation you can write as the solution. Within bracket x minus 5 square minus 9 it's equal to 0. How can find solutions? X minus 5 that within bracket square you can keep in the same side. Minus 9 send to other side as plus 9. X minus 5 square. Now if you want that 9 also can write as square 3 square. Now that 3 square can take to other side again with minus x minus 5 within bracket square minus 3 square equals 0. Now solutions you can take x minus 5 from both the squares. Then we know both the squares middle minus. Then what are that solutions? Without the squares can take one answer x minus 5 minus 3. Other one x minus 5 plus 3 equals 0. It means x minus 5 within bracket minus 3 equals 0. Other one x minus 5 within bracket plus 3 equals 0. Then when you are removing brackets, x minus 5 minus 3 equals 0. It means x minus 8 equals 0. X equal plus 8. Other side x minus 5 plus 3 equals 0. It means x minus 2 equals 0. x equal 2. That 2 are the solutions. You can check this example also. Part A. Write 3x square minus 12x plus 8 in the form a bracket x plus b square plus c. Then part B. Hence or otherwise solve 3x square minus 12x plus 8 equals 0. Now check this solution. Part A. Then here 3x square minus 12x plus 8. Then you can see that previous examples for x square coefficient only 1. Here 3 is there. So first of all we have to remove that 3. Then as A you can take it to outside, 3 out, then inside the bracket x square. From 12 also when you take out 3 out, only 4 is there. So x square minus 4x within bracket. Then outside you can write number 8. That is 3 bracket x square minus 4x. Separately you can write plus 8. Now here you can use that completing square method. Here 3 inside the bracket x square. Here b means minus 4. So first you can write minus 4x, then b square. It means plus 4. Again we need b square minus 4 also, then plus 8. Now again inside the bracket first you can solve 3 bracket x minus 2. Then we know x square minus 4x plus 4. We can write it as x minus 2 square. Minus 4 also there. Now outside plus 8. Now you can remove all brackets. Then 3 come in only for x minus 2 square and minus 4. Then 3 bracket x minus 2 square minus 3 times 4 12 also come in. Then outside plus 8. When you solve it, 3 x minus 2 square minus 4. That is the final answer for first part. This is that form a bracket x plus b square plus c. Okay, that form. Now check part B. You have to find solutions, no? That answer you can take again 3 bracket x minus 2 square minus 4. It's equal to 0. When you are finding solutions, that answer it's equal to 0. Now 3 bracket x minus 2 square you can keep in the same side, 4 send to other side. Then 3 also can send to other side as division. Then x minus 2 bracket is square, other side 4 over 3. Then we have to remove that square to other side as square root. Then we know plus minus 2 answers are coming. So final solutions are x equal to plus root 4 over 3 or x equal to minus root 4 over 3. I think now you can complete exercise 22.2 by using completing square method. Our next subtopic is solving quadratic equations by general formula. There are 3 methods. Now you have learned factorizing, completing square method. The last one is by using the general formula how to solve quadratic equations. Now here you can see if ax square plus bx plus c equals 0 is a quadratic equation. Then the solutions are given by the formula x equal minus b plus or minus inside the square root b square minus 4ac divide 2a. This is the equation you have to use for solving quadratic equations when we are using by formula. I think now you can complete exercise 22 point in your textbook. Our next subtopic is problems leading to quadratic equations. You may be expected to set up a problem that leads to a solution involving a quadratic equations. Here in this part, first of all you have to make the quadratic equations, then after solve it. You will then need to solve the quadratic equations to complete the problems. First of all, You check this example in your textbook, page number 435. Then you can complete exercise 22.4 alone. Next subtopic is quadratic curves. A function is a way of expressing the relationship between two variables. Y equal x square plus 3x plus 1 is an example of a quadratic equation. Here you can see square, so it's a quadratic equation. You can use a table of values to help you draw the graph of a quadratic function. Now check it. Now check this example. The table shows values of the function y equal x square plus 2x. First, they have given x values. What are that x values? Minus 4, minus 3, minus 2, minus 1, 0, 1, 2, 2, 3. Then you have to substitute those values to the function, to the equation, and have to find what are y values. Then you can find 8, 3, 0, 1, 0, 3, 8, 15 as y values. Then you can check these questions in part A. What they ask: draw a set of x's so that x can range from minus 4 to plus 3 and y from minus 5 to plus 20, and plot these points on your axis. You have to draw the graph. Then part B, join your points with a smooth curve. Part C, use a graph to find the values of y when x equal 2.5. Second one, the values of x when y equal 5. That two solutions we have to find by using the graph. Now check this solution. Here first you have to plot these points. What are that points? In part A, they asked to draw a set of axes so that x can range minus 4 to 3, y minus 5 to 20. Then you have to plot these all points on your own axis. Then you can see x and y axis. Then after you have to plot these points. What are that points? Minus 4, 8, minus 3, 3, minus 2, 0, minus 1, 0, 0, 1, 3, 2, 8, 3, 15. Then after in part B, they asked to join your points with a smooth curve. Then you can draw a smooth curve in part B. You can see that. Then part C, they asked to find two solutions. By using the graph, you have to find it. Use a graph to find first one, the value of y when x equal 2.5. Then you can see in x-axis where plus 2.5. Then by using arrows, you can check it. When x 2.5, you have to draw that arrow up to the curve. Then to other side, to the y-axis, you can draw that same arrow and you can check it. When x equal 2.5, what is the answer for y? Here you can see its nearest y equal 11.3. Nearest first decimal place, you can check the answer y equal 11.3, like that. The nearest answer is coming. Then same way you have to use for second part also. They asked to find the value of x when y equal 5. Then here, then y-axis you have to check where y-axis y equal 5. Then you can draw a line across the curve. You can draw that line across y equal 5. Then two solutions are coming here. You can see two places touching the curve. Then by using the two places, you can draw the arrow up to the x-axis. Then both sides come in. Then two solutions are coming. Then you can see what are the two solutions. When y equal 5, one answer coming x equal minus 3.4, like that. Other one x equal 1.4. Nearest answers are coming. Here you can see some important things. Whenever you plot the graph, a quadratic function, the curve will always have a distinctive ball shape. It is a parabola. When the coefficient of x square is positive, the parabola looks like down way. You can see it's coming in down way when x square coefficient is a positive. When the coefficient of the x square is negative, that parabola looks like upward. Upside you can see the parabola. Our last subtopic is solving quadratic inequalities. When you solve a quadratic inequality, you should find the critical values by solving the inequality as though it were an equation. Find the correct regions by using a sketch of the curve or by testing points. Now check this example. They asked to solve part A, x square plus x minus 2 less than 0. Part B, x square plus 2x minus 8 greater than 0. They asked to illustrate your solutions on a number line. Now check this solution. For the first one, x square plus x minus 2 less than 0. First of all, you have to identify critical values. Here you can see this is a quadratic equation. So first of all, you can factorize these. What are the solutions? Within brackets you can write, when you factorize this, x plus 2, x minus 1 come in as the answer. It's equal to 0. Then after you have to solve that equation. Then after solve it, x plus 2 equals 0, x minus 1 equals 0. It means x equal minus 2 or x equal 1. That two are the solutions. Now you have to sketch the curve. Look at the sketch of the curve. Here you can see minus 2 and plus 1. That two are the answers for x. Then here on x-axis you can draw that 2, minus 2 and 1. You can mark that two places. Then after the curve is, then here they ask x square plus x minus 2 less than 0. Then here you can see the curve is below x-axis. Less than 0 means below x-axis, below 0. When x is between minus 2 and 1, down part you can take. Then we have to mark it on a number line also. Then here you have to draw that two balls on minus 2 and 1. Then between that two you can draw that line. It means as x solutions, as x values you can take between minus 2 and 1, but you can't take minus 2 and 1 because no equal mark there in the inequality. Then so x equal 2 and x equal minus 1 are excluded. Other values between that you can take. Now you can write that solution in the inequality minus 2 less than x less than 1. That is the final answer for the first part. Now you can see that part B also, x square plus 2x minus 8 here greater than or equal 0. That is the question, inequality. Then here also first of all you have to find, you have to identify critical values. Here also you can see a quadratic equation. So you can factorize it. Then what are the two answers? Within brackets you can write it, x plus 4, x minus 2. It's equal to 0. Now solutions are x plus 2 equals, x plus 4 equals 0, x minus 2 equals 0. Then x equal minus 4, x equal 2. Now you can sketch the curve. Here also what are the two numbers? On x-axis you can mark it, x equal minus 4, x equal 2. Then here you can see they have given the inequality x square plus 2x minus 8 greater than or equal 0. Here you can see the curve is on or above the x-axis when x is less than or equal to minus 4 or greater than or equal to 2. You can see greater side, greater than 0, that two sides part of the curve you can take as the solution. Then here you can draw it on a number line also. First of all have to mark that two solutions, minus 4 and plus 2. Here you can color that two balls here, but you can color that two balls because equal mark is there in the inequality. Then here both sides you can mark as a solution, because here x square plus 2x minus 8 greater than or equal 0. There are two different regions. Then here there are two different regions. So you need two inequalities for that. With together you can't combine. We cannot combine these two single inequalities. So separately you have to write that two solutions. Then you can write it x less than or equal minus 4, or other one x greater than or equal to. That two are the solutions for the last example. I think now you can complete exercise 22.6 in your textbook. Now we are in the end of the lesson. I think you have understood that every part in this lesson, quadratic equations, curves and inequalities. Only that last part you have for form 5, but I have explained from the beginning this whole lesson, chapter 22. Try to complete that all examples, all exercises and preview exercise also. Thank you.